Hello everyone, it's Alessandro Sticchi on behalf of PCR Online. It's a great pleasure of being here with Professor João Cavalcante from US. Prof, thank you very much for being with us. We'd like to ask you, what is the role and the evolution of imaging in tricuspid intervention?
Yeah, so tricuspid valve, obviously a hot topic, and it has been coming quite very clear to us that it's a valve that presents different challenges, right? From its difficult anatomy and visualizing by transthoracic echocardiography, TE as well, and a lot of evolution into even intracardiac echocardiography. We are doing this procedure now safely. We understand better that what requires to be adequate TR reduction, and several devices are coming down the pike. The advanced imaging, which is the question that you had to me, is one that we're learning as we go through. Obviously, intraprocedural echo is quite important in the evaluation pre and post intervention, but the CT particularly, for some of these devices for replacement, plays an important role to evaluate not only how wide are these gaps are, the mechanism of TR, how wide is the tricuspid annulus, as well as the remodeling that this ventricle would subtend, right? And looking at the RV function. Now, MRI for these patients is challenging, just like CT, because they have chronic kidney disease, they have AFib, they have sometimes inability to breath hold. And so all of these represents a challenge. We have been fortunate to be working with the triluminate imaging sub-study and learning along with other partners and other centers too, how we can understand better the plasticity of that RV. And I think that is going to inform the field. Is metric of edge-to-edge repair, but also the tricuspid valve replacement that is going to be important for these patients, and what is going to be the sweet spot. What patients would need to still rehab the ventricle before we treat the valve again.
Yeah, that's really, really exciting, and definitely we need more data to better understand what is the best for the patient. Thank you very much for your kindness. Continue to follow us on PCR Online. Thank you, Prof.
Thanks, Alessandro.